My dance journey started almost 9 years ago. అప్పుడు నిజం చెప్పాలంటే డాన్స్ వాజంట్ ఈవెన్ మై థింగ్. మా తాతయ్యే నా డాన్స్ క్లాస్లో జాయిన్ చేశారు. చాలా రీసెర్చ్ తర్వాత అమ్మ chose my guru, Sappa Sivakumar garu. He taught us with a lot of patience. He even trained us to perform on national and international stages. We even won some amazing competitions. Classical dance taught me discipline, time management, and much more, which I might find out when I grow up. And now, I got first class in my Kuchipudi certificate exam, which is a 4-year long course. For me, it is not just a grade. It is 9 years of effort and practice from not just myself, but everyone else, my family and my friends.